Welcome to the Alexander project. I basically am doing this channel to show people that you guys can do most things on your own. You know, we go to Pinterest and we pin and pin some more, and we never get around to doing these projects. Or we pay somebody to do these projects for us, or we just go to Pottery Barn and we know that's hella expensive. So why not do these projects on your own? Set aside some time, do your research, save yourself some money, and then be proud when you come home to see that you did this. No guys, it's not Pottery Barn, it's my own. So for my first video, I'm a thrifter, so I went to the Goodwill and I saw this beautiful mirror. Had to get it, $10, huge, beautifully framed mirror. I saw its potential when I first laid eyes on it, and I knew this mirror is gonna be a damn chalkboard. Yes. And once again, welcome to the Alexander project. I'm so glad you guys are here. So here are some things you're gonna need for this project. You're gonna need some tape to put around the frame of the mirror. Of course, you have your chalkboard paint and primer. This is a spray-on primer. It was really inexpensive at Walmart. You're gonna need something for the chalkboard paint to adhere to. Your roller brush. This is stained blue, but it's clean from a previous project. You're also gonna need a paint pan, of course. And you're gonna need a mask for the fumes of the primer, rubbing alcohol, a kitchen trash bag, and cotton swabs or a towel. Let's get this started. Here's the mirror. We're gonna go ahead and use that blue painter's tape, and we're gonna put that on each side of the mirror of the rim where the glass meets the frame. Oh, there's my Bacon. Yes, my cat's name is Bacon. I have a cat named Pancakes too. And so right here, all I'm doing is using the blue painter's tape to cover the frame of the mirror to protect it from the debris of the spray when I start using the primer. Be sure to clean the mirror thoroughly with the alcohol and make sure that alcohol dries completely. Although it's not always necessary to use a primer paint in doing this project, I would strongly suggest doing so you don't have any mistakes later. Before we start painting, go ahead and grab your kitchen trash bag and your paint pan. I'm going to show you guys a really quick trick to save you some time with cleanup. It's so important. You're going to slip that trash bag right on over that paint pan, just like so. And you're going to, you can tie this, twist it, just make sure you have enough leeway on top for when you pour the paint. So it should look just like that. When you're done painting, untie the bottom, untwist it, carefully because remember your paint is gonna be in here. Carefully do this, take this off inside out. So once you do that, your paint pan will be clean. Your paint will already be inside the bag, and throw it away. That's gonna save you a good like 5 to 8 minutes of cleanup. You're welcome. Be sure to shake up your chalkboard paint can or bottle before beginning to pour it into the pan. And right here, we're just painting away. Just keep painting, just keep painting. And voila, you are done. It took about an hour to dry, just to be on the safe side. It looks so great. I'm so proud. I did about 2 to 3 coats. And I also want to stress, again, the primer. Guys, I've seen this project done a few times, and for the people who did not use a primer, when they got to this part of pulling up the tape from the edge of the mirror, the chalkboard paint came up with the tape. So just save yourself some disappointment and time, and just let's go ahead and get that primer, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what other project you would like for me to show you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys!